Hello everyone. Today we have an internship opportunity from Fyle and it is a content marketing intern. So the work location will be work from home, and also if you scroll down you can look into the job overview here. They are looking for someone who is motivated and proactive, and if you are an ideal candidate you should be fluent in English and possess a strong writing skill and have a passion for learning content marketing and SEO. And as a part of their team, you will be contributing to creating SEO optimized content and assisting with the technical SEO to improve their website search engine performance. Then, if you scroll down, you can look into the key responsibilities here. And thus, they are telling about 4 points, that is content creation, collaboration and communication, technical SEO assistance, and SEO tools. This is something we saw in the job overview. The new thing here is SEO tools, where you need to know about tools such as SEMrush, Ahrefs, and other things to assist with your keyword research and competitive analysis and content optimization. Then, if you scroll down, you can look at what they are looking for. They are looking for students who are recently graduated or working professionals. You should be fluent in English, where you should have a strong written and verbal communication skill. Then you should have a writing proficiency, where you should be able to craft clear, engaging, and well structured content. Then you should have a efficient time management skill, where you should be someone who can manage the task effectively, take ownership of the work, and keep track of the deadlines and project goals. And they are telling you that you should take the feedback in the stride, ask for questions, and proactively seek for help and clarification whenever needed. Then you should be adaptive and proactive, where you should be someone who is adaptable and ready to grow in the fast paced environment. You should have the curiosity and initiative, where you should be quick to learn the new technologies, tools, and techniques. You should not hesitate to ask questions or seek for assistance whenever needed. Then here are few preferred qualifications, where they are telling you you should have the basic understanding of SEO and business blog. That will be a plus. You should be familiar with the content management systems like Webflow. You should have the background in English, and that will be a big plus. And if you are a woman and looking to restart your career after a break, you can also apply for this role. And here they are telling you about the interview process and stakeholders. And once you apply, if you get shortlisted, you will receive your assignment within 24 to 48 hours. And if your assignment impress them, you will speak to the Rahul and Anand, their content marketing team, for the first round. And then in the second round, you will talk to Shruti, their content marketing manager, and you will spend some time with them to know about the role, and they will spend some time with you to understand about your work history and what draws you into this role. Then, after completing the second round, you will be proceeding to the next round, where you will be speaking to the Yashwant, who is the co founder and the CEO of Fyle. You can expect a lot of probing questions, and you should know how to handle different situations in this call. And you should research about Fyle before taking this call. So then, if everything goes well till this round, you will get your offer letter, and then the internship duration will be 6 months. So if you get shortlisted, you can expect to hear from them within a week for the next steps. So that's it. I think I have explained everything. You just need to click on apply now here and proceed with the application. And also, if you have any other doubts, you can let me know and ask me in the comment section. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.